was getting hard and shit. That was soft at first, this shit's hard.
Do we have any Goodie Mob fans in Georgia? Do we have any Goodie Mob fans? If you're a fan of Goodie Mob, make some noise.
What's up?
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
What you saying?
Who is that? 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 Thinking that my window. Pow, pow, pow. Nobody there. Who is that? Thinking at my window. Pow, what's up? Nobody there. God bless.
That's for all you hip-hop fans out there tonight.
Hey, Lo.
I want to thank you again for having me in your home. We feel so safe. We feel so welcomed. We feel so warm. We feel so loved.
I feel so horny.
Georgia, if you got love for CeeLo Green, make some noise right now. If you love CeeLo Green.
I wanna come out there and give everybody a big sweaty hug.
That's all.